Welcome back, guys, and this week we have got a Golf Gti Mk2. We did the full respray on. It wasn't too bad compared to what we've done in the past, so we've got a few little bits in here as well, the day-to-day of what we do and so on, a few little funny bits. So sit back, relax and enjoy.
Cue tracks.
Auto repairs, we do a 27-point check of the vehicle using our advanced iPad system. Hello, I didn't see you there. So here at Spray Tech, before we carry out any work on a vehicle, we take.
Yeah, that is a
Take.
Yeah. So here at Spray Tech Auto Repairs, we do a 30-point check of the vehicle before we carry out any work. This is to ensure that we capture all reported areas that the customer has advised us to repair, also to pick up any additional areas of repair that may be required. This is to ensure that the vehicle leaves us to the best possible standard.
Yeah, that's fantastic.
We've got a YouTube video going on. Anyway.
I'll keep doing it, keep right that way. The witch goes back in.
Yeah, wait till she walks back in.
The witch goes back out.
She's in there though, she's in there. So, that's phone again.
Yeah, what's that say?
Don't even know.
I did it beside you, yeah.
Thank you! Getting rid of you anyway. It's probably one of the cleanest examples of a Golf that we've actually ever seen. The bodywork wasn't too bad, to be fair. So obviously the customer wants to do a full restoration on it. So obviously when we're sanding it back down, literally normally when you sand back any sort of car that's had paint previously, you only go through the layers. And on this, it's literally just factory paint. Customer said it installed for like 22 years in a garage or something. So there was the odd dent here and there, a bit of surface rust, and that was about it. So what we've done, we've literally taken it back to metal in some places, treat the rust, and yeah, just fill all over it, all on dents and so on. Now thinking the brain is just masking it off.
Cue tracks.
We're here with Andy, the owner of this Mk2 GTI. Andy, do you want to tell us a bit about the car and obviously your experience with Respray?
Yeah, the lads took it only 2 weeks ago and have turned it from a bit shabby to a beautiful shell now. I'm very pleased with the outcome, so I'm hoping to take it down once it's finished and take some pictures of the finished article.
Yeah, so you're just going to put the engine back in and then obviously
I'm going to rebuild it now,
yeah.
Rebuild the car and I'll take it back down for you to have a look.
Andy,
Thank
cheers.
you.
Thank
Yeah,
you very
thank
much.
you for your business.
Yeah, no, thank you very much. So like, subscribe and follow us on Instagram and stay tuned to see the finished product for this.